Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna get my shit together because it has been a month. I have been just a freaking mess. My life is just, I don't even know what to call it at this point. My life has never been this messier. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't even know what date it is today. I have no idea what's going on around me. I just realized it's already the end of the month. I have just been all over the place this entire month of October. To give you some context of what's been going on in my life, why I have been a mess all of this time. Basically, my partner got into an accident on the 1st of October, 2 days before my birthday. It was a very bad accident that he was in between life and death. He's currently in the ICU and he's going through a lot of operations, a lot of treatments going on for him, and we're just sticking to hope at this point. With that whole situation, I feel like I lost a huge part of myself that day, and I didn't even remember it was my birthday on the 3rd of October. When people wished me happy birthday, I was like, oh fuck yeah, it's my birthday. I have just been this huge mess because I've been running to the hospital back and forth, reading about his condition. He's in a critical condition. I've just been all over the place the entire time. And just 2 days ago, when my friend actually texted me something really important, I was like, wow, it is the end of the month already. So I took 2 days to kind of convince myself to get my shit together because I have been such a fucked up mess. I don't even know what to call it. I just don't know what's going on in my life, and I really want to get out of this because if I can't take care of myself, I can't take care of somebody else. So I have to prioritize myself as well while prioritizing him, and I just need to get my shit together because I'm losing myself in this whole process. I'm losing my mental health, I'm losing myself. So I've decided to get my shit together because this can't go on. And I know that someday when he is gonna be okay, which he will, I believe in it, he's gonna be really disappointed if he finds out that for an entire month I didn't do anything except dwell in my pain and anger and crying 24/7. I know he's not gonna like it. He would want me to be productive. He would want me to have my shit together. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna get my shit together. So let's just do it. I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do, but I feel like I'm gonna do the most... Okay. But I feel like I have to do the most important thing, like the necessities, like compulsory things, because I have been lacking. This might sound disgusting, but I haven't eaten, slept, or showered properly ever since. I don't even remember. Let's just stop here. Let's just get my shit together, okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is oil my hair because I don't know if you can see it, but I have lost a lot of hair due to stress. Like, I'm not even joking. When I look at my hair, I feel like I have lost shit tons of hair, and that is something that usually happens to me when I go through a lot of stress and a lot of worrying. I lose hair. I hate that. I hate that I can't go through stress peacefully. Like, I already have enough problems. Like, why does my body have to betray me at the same time? But like, let me just take care of my hair real quick because I don't want my man to come out of that ICU and then I have no hair on my head. He's gonna be like, girl, bye. So I don't want that. So let me just take care of my hair. So I'm using vodka oil. This is the one. It is the Indian hair oil, which I absolutely love. If you know, you know, anything related to hair care, it is Indian. Food, Chinese. Perfume, Arab. So if you're worried about hair care and stuff like that, just go to an Indian market. Trust me, any Asian market will give you the most amazing products, like whatever it is. I don't remember the last time I oiled my hair, probably like 1 month ago. But I must give a shout out to my man because even though he's in the ICU, his hair just looks amazing. He looks beautiful and still cute, even though he's not even working on it. I don't get it. Men could literally not do skincare, they could literally not invest any of their time and energy into looking good, but they still end up looking so freaking good. I don't get how they do it, but somehow they manage to do it. My man is literally in the ICU. He's in intensive care. He's in a critical condition and he just looks really good. It's just like he's sleeping, and he's sleeping really fly. I'm sorry if my humor is making me sound very insensitive. It's just a coping mechanism because I have cried enough. There's literally nothing more. Like, I have no tears left to cry, so deal with me. I don't mean to like be insensitive or something. It's just how I deal with it. Like, you can't expect me to be crying and like shedding my tears on the internet. Like, if I cry, I do that shit privately. Okay, so I don't remember the last time I actually cleaned. I tried cleaning for the past 2 days. I tried to get myself together to clean something, but I just didn't have it in me to clean anything. I know it's not a lot of things that I'm cleaning, but for me, this is enough. This is the max I could probably do right now because I just don't have it in me to be cleaning the entire house. I'm just not myself these days. So this is the max I could do, but hopefully during the next few days, I'll slowly get into it. I'll slowly start cleaning everything, like deep cleaning and getting my space clear. But for now, I feel like this is just all that had to be done for me. Okay, so I'm gonna take a shower. Again, I don't remember the last time I took a proper shower, like for myself, instead of because I have to do it. I feel like I just need a warm bath, just wash my hair, clean myself off, and just, you know, be my old self, smell like vanilla all the time, something like that. I just need a damn shower. Honestly, I don't even care how it feels, how it smells, or whatever. I just need to take a shower. I feel like I'll feel more warm, and I don't know. I honestly don't know. All I know is I need to get a damn shower because, bruh. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go get my nails done. Now, I know it may sound weird that I'm getting my nails done, but getting my nails done is something that I love doing. I do every single month, and my nails have grown out pretty much a lot. And I also want to get short nails because I go to the hospital almost every single day. I go to the hospital almost every single day. I clean him, I take care of him. So I don't want any, I don't want any germs, bacteria going underneath my nails and then me touching him. No matter how much you clean your hands, wash your hands, under your nails, it's a whole different story. So I decided to get my nails done because it makes me feel good and I like to stay presentable, and because I would like to get shorter nails because this is kind of too long for me and I would like to do short nails so I don't scrape him or something like that. By the way, you guys, I don't know which nurse did this to him, but one day when I went to the hospital to check up on him, he had like a nail mark on his nose. I think it was when they tried to put the feeding tube inside his nose or something. Someone had long nails and scraped him because there was blood the very next day. So it probably happened during night shift. I don't know which nurse, but I couldn't catch the culprit. But yeah, I was super pissed about that. So that made me realize okay, maybe I need to cut my nails short as well because what if it's dangerous? So yeah, I'm not gonna get any design or something fancy, just a basic manicure just so that it looks presentable and short and neat so I don't look like a mess. Okay, so I got my nails done. So this is how my nails look. I went for pink this time, not intentionally. It was just the color that was already laying there and I was not in the mood to pick a color or a design or whatever. So I asked her to freestyle and she just did pink nails for me and then a little sticker over here and that's about it. But I feel comfortable with my nails. It'll get me going for a month and a half. So yeah, I got my cuticles done, clean nails, love it, feel good, feel refreshed. Okay, so I kind of feel like I got my shit together, but it is time to go back to the city and take care of him. I had my 2-day break. I fed my cats, cleaned the house, and now it's time to go back. I'm super excited to get back actually, because for these 2 days, he's shown a lot of improvement. He's in recovery, and I just can't wait to go meet him, see him, feed him. So yeah, there's a lot of good news. I mean, 2 good newses. So yeah, in about 3 hours I'll be leaving. It's a 4-hour ride to his city. So I gotta start packing things up. I gotta get ready, take a shower, and leave. So yeah, these 2 days went by so quickly. And I'm kind of glad I got my shit together because I feel like I really needed it. Even though these are like the most basic things ever, I just feel so calm and put together even a little bit. This might sound ridiculous to some people. This might sound like the bare minimum. But right now, the bare minimum is what I need. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.